ta-na-na-na, dum ta-na-na, ta-na-na-na, dum ta-na-na, ta-na-na-na. Vinis kitchen.
Play butter. Kunja. You take from him. You take from him.
Hold it high and raise it proud.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
So much.
You're waiting for it.
Oh, sorry. Just a second. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You just wait. I'm meeting you.
ചപ്പാടിന്റെ ഫലം
Thank you. Hello.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Kalita. How do you feel, Mommy?
Leave her for some time.
No problem.
ലൈഫിൽ ഒരുപാട് ആഗ്രഹിച്ചിരുന്ന ഒരു സാധനം.
Hold on, ഞാൻ കട്ട് ചെയ്യാം.
ഓക്കെ,
Lizzie's shirt, Carter's shirt has every three buttons.
അവന്റെ ഫോളോവേഴ്സ് നോക്ക്. ഇത് കട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കൈവർക്കിന് സന്തോഷം കൊണ്ടാണ്.
Let her be ready. Let her be.
ഞാൻ പൊളിക്കും. നിൽക്കും ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്.
ഇവിടെ ഇവിടെ ഇവിടെ.
അതെ, നിങ്ങളുള്ളപ്പോൾ തന്നെ കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് ഇവിടെ
ഇതേ കൂടെ ഇതല്ല, ഇങ്ങനെ പോണം. കത്തി കത്തി
ഓ ഓ ഓ ഓ
കത്തിയിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു വര പോണം കാണാട്ടാ. ഇതാ
Nice one.
ഇതവിടെ കട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു.
Yeah, nice is even
Yes.
more better.
ഓ യാ,
Oh my god.
ഒരു ലെറ്റർ ഉണ്ടാവണം.
Yes. It's a letter from
CEO YouTuber.
You have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably
healthy sense of
Healthy sense of humor too. What you have accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we would like to recognize you.
can't be taken away from
Can't be okay.
എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇത് പോയി കിടക്കും.
അതെ,
And
ആകെ
we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect.
മണി വായിക്കും.
Okay, so we know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you have found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see you what you do next. Million subscriber may seem a long way off right now,
Okay.
but you're close. But you're closer than you think.
Okay.
We're rooting for you.
Kichu will start from here,
Congratulations.
and then
You're sincerely.
yeah.
Thank you, Susan. Thank you so much. And this was my dream.
ആരും ഒരു കാർഡ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നല്ലോ. Tan, tan, tan.
Hello.
Jajamod ke presented to Vinis Kitchen for passing 100,000 subscribers.